Hey, this is Bianca. In this episode, I am detailing this giant Ford F-250, and trust me, this beast needs some serious TLC. First up, I tackled the truck bed. I started by sweeping out all the loose debris, leaves, dirt, and whatever else had been collecting back there. Then I applied an all-purpose cleaner to break down any built-up grime, followed by a thorough pressure wash to blast away the loosened dirt. I applied another round of APC, then went in with a stiff bristled broom to scrub deep into the textured surface of the bed liner. Finally, another rinse with the pressure washer left it looking refreshed. Next, onto the tires. Each tire got a solid coat of iron remover to dissolve embedded brake dust and road grime, followed by a thick layer of pink foam to loosen any remaining dirt. Using both long and short brushes, I scrubbed the wheels. A final rinse with the pressure washer revealed a deep clean and prepped them for tire shine later. Now for the fun part, coating the entire trunk in pink foam. This step isn't just for looks, even though it totally reminds me of bubblegum. The thick foam clings to the surface, breaking down dirt and lifting it off the paint safely. While the foam was dwelling, I grabbed a bug sponge and focused on the side mirrors and grille, areas notorious for collecting bugs and road debris. This step ensures I don't have to scrub too hard during the contact wash, preventing unnecessary scratches. Once the foam had done its job, I rinsed everything off thoroughly with a pressure washer. Next up, another round of white foam for the contact wash. This is where I actually touch the paint, so I work carefully, going panel by panel with a soft microfiber wash mitt to gently remove any remaining dirt. Once every panel had been thoroughly cleaned, I rinsed everything down again with the pressure washer. For added protection and smoothness, I applied a ceramic spray to the entire truck. While the spray was still on the surface, I went in with a clay towel, working section by section to remove any remaining contaminants embedded in the paint. This left the truck feeling slick and ready for the final drying process. Using a plush microfiber towel, I dried the truck section by section, ensuring there were no water spots left behind. Last step for the exterior, tire shine. I applied a high-quality, non-sling tire dressing to bring back that deep, rich, black look and give the tires a subtle gloss without making them look overly greasy. Moving inside, I started by removing the floor mats and all loose trash. This truck was getting an upgrade with CatSkin custom leather seats, so with old seats removed, I had full access to deep clean every inch of the interior. First, I went in with a high-powered vacuum to pick up loose dirt, crumbs, and debris. Once the bulk of the mess was gone, I used a tornador to lift dirt that was hiding in the carpet. I repeated this section by section, ensuring no area was overlooked. Next, I focus on all the rubber, vinyl, and plastic surfaces, starting with the door and windows as I move into the back of the truck. For the back console, I applied APC and Workhorse, and a brush to agitate all the grime in the cup holders, storage compartments, and air vents. Then, I followed up with a microfiber towel that was soaked and wrung out in APC to wipe everything down thoroughly. To get into tight spaces, I used an air gun to blast cleaner into the hard-to-reach spots, then dried it all with a clean microfiber towel and another round with the air gun to ensure no residue was left behind. For the carpets, I sprayed them with an enzyme cleaner to break down any stains and odors. Then I scrubbed the carpet with a brush before hitting them with the Tornador. Then came the repetition. I tackled the cup holders, center console, and windshield. Passenger side, done. Back driver side, check. And of course the driver's side to finish it off, making sure every last surface was clean and protected. For the floor mats, I started by spraying them off the initial layer of dirt with a pressure washer. Then I applied pink foam to help lift any stubborn grime. Using a stiff bristle brush, I scrubbed them down thoroughly before rinsing them again with the pressure washer. To finish, I used an air gun to speed up the drying process so they'd be ready to go back into the truck looking brand new. Final vacuum time. This is where I make sure every last speck of dirt is gone. I use a detailing brush to agitate any stubborn debris hiding deep in the carpet fibers. To wrap it all up, I clean the exterior windows. Here are the final pictures of the results. Thanks for watching, and remember, clean, dirty, extra dirty, we do it.